Hey guys, it's Adrian again over at Audi VW Fall River. I'm here with the 2025 Audi A5. Now with the all new A5, beautiful car, completely redesigned. With this you get these really nice contemporary all electronic door handles. So what happens if the battery dies or the key fob dies? How do you get in the car? How do you start the car? Well, here I'm going to show you. Underneath here there's a small red button. Now what you do is you press this red button, hold it, and when you do, it's gonna release. It's just gonna open up. There it is, right there. You'll see the rear view mirrors, they'll fold out once that's engaged. Now if the battery is completely dead, starting the vehicle is not gonna work. But if the key fob is dead, you can open the door, you can get in, and what you do if the key fob is dead is right here, there's a little battery symbol or a little key symbol. You place that there, put your foot on the brake, and hit the start button. So hopefully that's helpful. Again, Adrian over at Audi VW Fall River. Hope you like that video, hope you find it helpful, and hope to see you back next time.